Hello everyone, this is Lone S Elevator Tours. I'm not just an elevator filmer, I film game consoles too, so I'll be doing a noise test to my PS3 Slim 120 gig. I bought this at a yard sale. I had this since January the 20th, 2014. It's still running today, so let's do a noise test on it. I figure that I'll start doing noise tests on consoles I have at home. Come soon I'll do the PS4. It's downstairs, but I'm not going to bring it up here. I'm just going to do it downstairs so that I don't get a risk of getting into trouble. So, anyway, let's get started.